What's up, guys? Zach here, another video. Forgot to do a intro the other day, so you're gonna see me wearing a different shirt here in a minute. It's a different day. I put the water pump on the car the other day, and I got in here, got to work, and everything, just focusing on getting the car running right, and I didn't even do an intro. So let's go in here. I've been working on the front end today. You can see it's got a little bit of, somebody ditched it, I think. That's what it looks like. It's just not sitting right. Looks like I'm gonna need a new front core support, whatever. But anyway, so we've had a slow day here and there at work. So I've been kind of just tinkering with it when I can, trying to get it in my own time. So yeah. Let's get to it, enjoy the video, and there'll be more of this car to come. So, there you go. All right, guys. Got it off. I'm sorry, not talking much. My mic is messed up and the phone quality is not very good in here, so you're probably having a hard time hearing that. The new gaskets. Like I said, I didn't want to be able to have to. The old gaskets didn't look terrible. You can see. I mean, looks fairly new. I keep looking over here. The camera's right here. Anyway. But I didn't want to take a chance, and I don't really like these gaskets very much, so I didn't want to use those, and didn't want to reuse the old ones just in case I put it together and that was the reason why it was leaking. I don't like doing that, so I wanted to put all new gaskets on there. So without further ado, let's get back to it. Alright guys, I got the tensioner over, thermostat with the little nozzle and all that done. I want to get everything switched over, check everything, and that's that. Get it on now. not hard, it's still easy, but it's still just the hardest part of this, because without doing a little RTV trick where you put a little dab on there, stick it on there, hard to get them things to stay in place. So I believe I got it though. I'm gonna try to tighten them up. hear me over that in the fan, but we'll test drive a little bit and we'll see how she does, and I'll get back with y'all.